Welcome to InvestED. Today I'm going to talk about responsible investment, what it means, what it involves, and how investors can incorporate it into their portfolios. Responsible investment, or RI, is an approach to investing that aims to incorporate environmental, social, and governance factors, or ESG factors, into investment decision-making. These are often extra financial inputs that don't show up on traditional financial statements. In a recent survey of Canadian investors, 2/3 of respondents expressed an interest in responsible investment. Further, over 90% of respondents said it's very or somewhat important to consider opportunities in the incorporation of RI into investment portfolios. Responsible investment can be used as an umbrella term representing a number of investment strategies. These include ESG integration, ESG screening and exclusion, thematic ESG investing, and impact investing. And these strategies are not mutually exclusive. When we think about ESG integration, many people think that means not investing in specific companies or entire sectors. That's not the case. ESG integration is the ongoing incorporation of material or financially relevant ESG factors into investment decision-making with an aim to identify potential risks and opportunities and improve risk-adjusted long-term returns. That means it involves assessing and analyzing a wide range of extra financial issues. For example, environmental issues can include things like the impact of climate change, resource depletion, waste and pollution, and deforestation. Social issues can include working conditions within a company, their relationship with Indigenous and local communities, health and safety controls, and human rights. And governance can include how companies manage their tax strategy, board composition, political lobbying, and cybersecurity. In our view, how a company addresses these material extra financial factors can impact their performance. Another responsible investment strategy is what we call ESG screening and exclusion. This may involve screening out specific companies or sectors based on a set of ESG-related criteria. An example of this might be excluding companies in certain industries, such as tobacco or alcohol. Portfolios can apply multiple RI strategies. For example, a fund manager might apply ESG screening and exclusion to remove certain securities from the investment universe and then apply ESG integration to the remaining portfolio holdings. Responsible investment has evolved considerably over the years in its sophistication and range of approaches. You can visit rbcgam.com/RI to learn more.